Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. This morning I posted on my Facebook asking, how would you suggest Appa to cook my stingray fish today? This is a very huge piece of stingray. Some of you actually say out. Some of you actually mentioned to bakar it. Actually, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Bakar it with herbs, yeah? So what I have here is I have some turmeric powder and some salt. I'm going to use these two to marinate the stingray. Then of course you have to prep the stingray, wash it nicely and make few slits on the fish body, yeah, so that it's easier to cook. This stingray is very, very thick. I'm not sure whether I can cook it nicely or not. I just have to put in the lids later. All right. So first of all, you're going to give it some fine salt. This is the thickest stingray I ever cooked. Huge, really huge. Then you have some turmeric powder. Mix it with some water. Make it into a paste, a very thick paste. Right, so you first marinate the fish with a bit of fine salt. Then we have some thick paste made out of turmeric powder. And we want to put the turmeric paste evenly onto the fish. Be careful, don't touch it with your hand. You probably want to wear a glove because this is very and extremely hard to wash. Turmeric powder is already very difficult to wash. Fresh coriander, fresh turmeric even worse. That one, 100% you must wear a glove. But that is actually more fragrant, to be honest with you. Usually the Chinese ikan bakar store, most of them will just use turmeric powder. They will do exactly what I'm doing right now. Right, then you can set it aside and we can then prepare the hot oil. So you get ready a wok or a deeper pan, yeah, give it a little bit of oil. Okay. Or get ready a lid also, if not I think it's going to be harder to cook. So let's heat up the oil until smoking point so that it won't stick easily, yeah? If not it can stick. Right, make sure your oil is hot enough that you start seeing smokes coming up. That is smoking point, 180 degrees Celsius and above minimum. Then only you can put in the fish. The pan I'm using is 28 centimeter. Yeah, I purposely bought this for the sake of frying fish because it's wide enough. So first rule, it should be second rule. After you put in the fish, don't keep turning it. Wait, give it another about 2 to 3 minutes, then only you flip it. Oh, but one thing for sure, this one, you need to cover it with a lid. If not, it's too thick. It's going to be very hard to get cooked, okay? Why is it you want to use turmeric? Because number one, turmeric can help to remove fishiness from the fish. Number two, it will actually give extra aroma for the fish. Very nice aroma. This is after the first 3 minutes. It doesn't stick. Very good. Carefully we flip it over. Oh, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look at how beautiful it is. Oh. Let me close the lid again. You need to close the lid, if not, it will not be cooked, yeah, in the middle. So why is this? Sometimes you want to close the lid because you're not only frying, you're also baking, you're also steaming at the same time by closing the lid. All this will expedite the cooking process. So this is after another 3 minutes. So this is coming to about 6-7 minutes here. may stick a little bit at the bottom. Alright, if you are not sure whether it is fully cooked or not, just use something sharp to poke through the thickest part of the meat. If you can go through, then it is already fully cooked, right? So basically, our fried, this is what, stingray is ready, yeah? This is how the Chinese store will do ikan bakar. Alright, instead of calamansi, I put 2 lime. Same purpose, yeah? Add some sourish to the fish. Very, very nice. Enhance the flavor even further. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. This is my most favorite way of cooking stingray.